Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Take Wisdom, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix unidentified network or no internet access in your Windows problem. Here I'm going to give you a couple of methods to fix the problem. So let's start the video. First of all, go to your search option here and search control panel here and click it to open. And here it is. Here you can see the option network and internet. Click that option here. And on top here it is network and sharing center. Click it to open. And here you can see your connection. Just click the connection option, and now this window will pop up. After that, just select the properties here, and now here you can see internet protocol version 4. Double click it to open and make sure this option is selected. Obtain an IP address automatically, and after that just click OK and see if the problem is solved or not. If the problem is not solved, then click the internet protocol version 4 again, double click it and select use the following IP address, and I'm gonna give the IP address. Just copy and paste those IP address and select it. It will automatically give you this. Leave this as it is, and after that give this IP. And now give the IP address here also 1 1 1 1, and then again 1 0 0 1. And after giving all this IP address, just click OK and see if the problem is fixed or not. If this doesn't fix your problem, there is also another way. Just go to change adapter settings here, and here select the network that you want to fix. Right click it and select diagnose, and as you can see, Windows network is detecting problems. It will take a few seconds to detect the problems. As you can see, there is no problem in my network. If your network have a problem, there will be a problem to fix it, and your problem will be fixed. So this is the video, and I hope this is a helpful video for you. And if this video does help you, please subscribe to my channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.